Right, Savannah. Where you at? Give us a smile. Right, Savannah's going to eat the rest of her dinner. You ready? Good girl. Good, that's it. Right, lean over. Lovely jubbly. Get it all in, all in, all in, all in. Yep. This is, what did Mum say it was?
Magical something.
It was balti. It's an Indian balti. It's been really nice. Chicken balti with cauliflower. Peppers. Hasn't it, Savannah? Yeah. Savannah's eating all her veg here. She's eating a lot, kid, aren't you? Bish bash bosh. Bish bash boss. Bosh.
Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding you.
Which? Oh, look at that little dinner.
You're going to carry on eating it? Come on, we're nearly done.
Okay.
Let's have a look.
Watch me all by myself.
Good girl. That's the way. Big spoon, big scoops. Do you say goodbye?
No.
Come on, because I haven't got much tape left.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.